Tired of your webcam taking up the whole screen or needing to zoom in on just the important parts of a game? This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to crop and resize any source in OBS Studio, giving you complete control over your stream's visual presentation. First, select the scene containing the source you want to adjust in the Sources panel. Click on the specific source, like your webcam or a game capture, that you'd like to crop or resize. You'll see a red bounding box appear around the selected source in the preview window. This box allows you to freely resize the source by clicking and dragging any of the corners. Now, for the magic of cropping, hold down the Alt key, that's Option, on a Mac while clicking and dragging any of the red bounding box handles. Notice how the handles turn green. This will crop the source, hiding the areas you drag inwards. For precise control, right-click on the source in the Sources panel and select Transform. This opens a submenu with options like Edit Transform. Clicking this allows you to enter specific numerical values for position, size, rotation, and crop, giving you pixel-perfect adjustments. The Transform menu also offers convenient presets. For example, Stretch to Screen will automatically resize your source to fill the entire canvas, while Fit to Screen will resize it proportionally to fit within the canvas without distortion. And that's it. You've now mastered cropping and resizing in OBS Studio. Experiment with different settings to create the perfect layout for your streams and recordings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more OBS tips and tricks.